Hi there, Mike here from Michael Harway Cars, based down in Weston-super-Mare. Just thought I'd take a moment to walk around this 2011 61 reg Renault Kangoo 1.6 automatic wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us for sale at the moment. This one was converted by Allied Vehicles and has seating for 3 plus space for your wheelchair or mobility scooter. So 2 seats in the front, 1 seat in the rear. Also has an electric winch, as you can see there in the centre. Comes with a lightweight ramp, so it's nice and easy to operate. Also has rear parking sensors, so that little black dot is there on the bumper. So this one has only done 15,600 miles from new, so super low mileage. Inside, let's say for 15,000 miles, it's all lovely and clean and tidy. So this is a 1.6 petrol automatic, so it's quite rare. Try and get the 2 petrol automatic in a combination. Also comes with front fog lights. Just take you around and show you inside. There you go, 15,603 miles. That's all your air conditioning, that's all your radio, CD player, all the controls for the automatic. Also comes with electric windows, electric mirrors, and they're electrically folding as well. Got a height adjustable driver's seat. So it comes with driver and passenger airbag as well. There's your rear seat for the passenger. So there you have it. If that's of interest, or you've got any more questions about the vehicle, then please do get in touch. Either give me a call or drop me an email. Thanks for watching.